Hi, I hope you're well. This is a bit of a different video. I want to talk about Boomerslop. A few years ago, I did a video about surprise egg unboxing. Bear with me here. This videos that are aimed at 3-year-olds, and they consist of a brightly coloured background and people opening Kinder eggs, etc., to see what's inside. Boomerslop is a similar piece of technology where we've got AI generated content. Why is this important? Well, AI has the potential to create lots of opportunities and risks for all of us. And if we don't keep on top of that, it's going to impact our businesses. So I want to make sure that you understand what this is. So when it starts to become a problem, you can nip it in the bud as a manager, because this is going to bite us all eventually. With the 3-year-olds watching the surprise egg unboxing, it's not so much a problem. With the boomer stuff, our parents watching this stuff, we know traditionally they've watched lots of stuff about this horrendous misinformation and disinformation. Now what we're seeing is a few different things. We're seeing nostalgia, weren't things better in the past, etc. We're seeing lots of racist content, and we're seeing stuff around obviously fake. You can see on Facebook, pets doing different things. But judging by the comments, obviously people aren't realising this is AI generated. So why is this a problem for our businesses? Well, we've already seen this massive problem with mis and disinformation affecting society. AI will amplify this massively. But eventually people will realise, hang on a minute, this is nonsense. And when that happens, it's going to be emotionally quite challenging for them. So if your team is saying this stuff that obviously isn't true, I'm not going to go into the details, so I think we all know what I'm talking about. What do you need to do? I think you need to acknowledge that it's not because people are bad people. It's because they're constantly being fed this diet of nonsense. And this idea that things were always better in the past, society isn't as good as it used to be. We know that as we get older, we always have this nostalgic thoughts, but that doesn't mean that it's valuable or useful. AI will lean into this and exploit it. And if we don't nip that in the bud, we're at risk of our staff going off on some emotional crisis. I think AI is quite risky in this respect, that people haven't quite realised that it can really control your thinking. And when I'm speaking to people that are using it a lot, I find that they kind of go through this wave of, oh, it can do this, maybe this isn't quite right, you know? And so I think it's very important that we, as leaders, support our staff on this journey and just go subtly, say, well, I'm not so sure that's right. There's a lot of information out there that, and eventually let them draw their own conclusions, as it were, because when they reach the point of understanding that this stuff is nonsense, they're going to be quite emotionally vulnerable, and that's the point where you can really support them. And you obviously don't want them spreading horrendous stuff that puts your business at risk. But I think this is about, as a good leader, making sure that you're taking people on the journey, and you need to do it as well. We all need to do this as well. We're taking people on the journey to stay safe in the age of AI. We have a responsibility to look after our staff. If they had an addiction to alcohol, you might support them through that process. It's the same process. We need to support people and help them understand that AI is manipulating them. It's manipulating all of us. And the sooner we get to that position, the sooner people will start to go, okay, it's fine, all this information exists out there. It's obviously not true. I don't need to deal with it. I've got other things to concern my life with, my family and friends, and hopefully producing good work that delivers value for your business. Okay, that's all for today. But if you see any specific examples, or there's anything interesting you want to share, do let me know in the comments. And have a great day. Speak to you soon.